Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create poll on your Facebook story. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on Create Story from your home screen to create a new Facebook story. You can select the story type from the top, or take a new photo or video by tapping the camera icon, or select any photo or video from your gallery. At the bottom you will see some suggested stickers from where you can select poll. If you don't see it, you can select it from stickers. Now tap on poll. Type the question you want to ask your friends. If you want to change the options yes or no, you can enter your customized answers. After that, tap on Done from the top right corner. You can resize the sticker, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. If you want to select who can see your story, tap on Privacy. And select your audience. When you are all done, tap on the Share button. Your story has been updated. Check this out. When you share your poll, people can respond by tapping an option you have provided. So in this way, you can create poll on your Facebook story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.